Okay, well, we have polynomial long division was in the previous video. This one is a shortcut way of dividing, because we're going to see next week we may have to divide 5, 6, 7 times on one problem. So let's look at the previous video's problems. Dividing this by this, and I got x squared plus 6x plus 15, remainder 24. Remember how long that took? Oh my goodness. And this one. So what I'm going to do is to do the same two problems, but I'm going to do it called synthetic division. So I'll bring back those answers in a minute. What they realized is you don't need to worry about the x's. Notice when you're dividing, you say, what do you multiply to get this? But you're really combining this and this to get the next beginning. Then this and this, the next beginning that you have to worry about with the x. So they did this. First, you take all the coefficients, then the constant, just put them in a row. So they make a symbol, kind of looks like a step. And the coefficient of x, that's an x cubed, by the way. Boy, that's sloppy. So I'd have 1, 4, coefficient of next term, 3, negative 6. Then I'm going to take, what number would I put in for x that would cause this term to be 0? Or what's the opposite of this number, which is 2, and I put it there. Now, here's the whole process. Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! 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 So, bring down the first term. Multiply the two numbers, then add to the next term. So 2 times 1 is 2, then add, 4 plus 2 is 6, bring down. Multiply, add. 2 times 6 is 12, 3 and 12 is 15, 2 and 15 is 30, add it and bring it down as 24. Now usually they'll put little segments right there to break it off. Now look at the previous problem we did, the exact same problem with polynomial long division. Look at the answer, 1, 6, 15, 24. Look what I have here, 1, 6, 15, 24. So what they realized is if you did it correctly, the last number in the bottom will always be your remainder. This will be your constant. Then this is your x to the first coefficient, x squared, and you keep going until you hit the wall. So it'd be x squared plus 6x plus 15 with the remainder of 24. What do I have here? X squared plus 6x plus 15, remainder 24. You get the exact same thing. So let's try it again. So I'm going to do, this bottom problem that we already did with long division. Now here's the mistake you're going to make. With these problems before, it was optional to put a 0 in for the missing term. With synthetic division, you have to put the 0 in. So it's 1. Oh, x cube's missing, so 0. Negative 3. Oh, x term's missing, so 0. Then 5. Now, what's the process? Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! So now this is always the opposite of this number. What number did I put in for x that would cause this to be 0? It has to do when you're solving. If I had x plus 1 equals 0, when you solve, you subtract 1. But here it is. Bring down, multiply, add. Bring down, multiply, add. Bring down, multiply, add. Bring down, multiply, add. So this would be your remainder. That's your constant. That's a positive. That's your coefficient of x. x squared's coefficient, x cubed. And then we've hit the wall. Let's look at what we had here. Oh, you're going to be so shocked. I have x cubed minus x squared. X cubed minus x squared. Minus 2x plus 2. Minus 2x plus 2. Remainder 3. Woohoo, so you get the same answer. So let's try another one together here, my peeps. So, opposite of plus 1's negative 1, or what do you put in for x that would give you 0? Okay, so 1. Oh, I'm missing x cubed, so 0. Oh, I'm missing x squared, another 0. Mercy. Then minus 7, 6. So, oh, I've forgotten the process. What is it? Oh, wait a minute. Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! So bring down, multiply, that's negative 1. Negative 1, multiply, add, that's 1. Negative 1, negative 8. 8, 14. So my remainder's 14. That's my last number always. That'd be negative 8. Okay, constant. That'd be x, 1x, negative x squared. Gotta put a little plus. And that's my x cubed. By the way, normally when you do division, it goes down by 1 power, the top term. So go ahead and try this one, and then turn me back on and watch me. Okay, so the opposite of negative 2 is 2, or what do you put in for x to get 0? That'd be 2. So I'd have 1, negative 7. Ooh, I'm missing the x terms. So it'd be 0, then 2. Oh, gee, I forget. Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! Bring down, multiply, add. Bam! So bring down, that's a 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Add, bring down, negative 5. Multiply. So that's negative 10. So negative 20. And this could be negative 18. So the remainder is negative 18. So the constant's negative 10. That would be minus 5x. And that would be x squared, 1x squared. Now, the only drawback is synthetic division. The coefficient of your x has to be 1. So in pre-calculus, they'll actually teach you another step to do to this to get this to be 1. But for now, this is good enough for us. So you got to have a 1x. Now, with polynomial long division, you don't have to ever worry about this. Could be any number you want as a coefficient. So that's one reason to have polynomial long division. But for what we're going to be doing with it next week, synthetic's easier, and this has to be 1. So, hey, have a good day. Bye-bye.